Good evening. My very first Webquest was done in Zuno.com. It was a awesome experience. Got to do something I'd never did before. But I did my Webquest for teachers to develop the first educational blog site. It was a very easy step-by-step process. It walked you through a nice welcome, an introduction, and everything that you had to do, it pretty much told you step by step. There was a task section, and I like to use all my cool pictures. A process section. An evaluation section. Very important because you're telling whoever's going to use it exactly how you're going to be graded. A conclusion. And that's it, folks. A teacher's page. Sharing information to others. And what else they can get from your Webquest. And then last but not least, some information about the author. Thanks.